to trim this tree that is growing up into the lines there. So that is what we are going to be doing. Alright, I'm gonna try and cut it from this side. I wish I would have got out here before all the leaves, but I was very sick, so I wasn't able to get out here. So let's see what we can do. Alright guys, I got the one down. That was like right up in the power line. I'm like out of breath now, super hard. I just saw it because it was so thick. And then slide it down so it didn't catch on the power line, but I got it. So that's good. Trim a few more of these branches before I take a break. Oh, man, that was hard. That thing was heavy too. Right, there's where we are now. I just had to come in on this side and cut those branches. And then I will be done. I'll probably cut a little bit more off this one as well. Probably most of the top because I don't want it getting up and branching out onto that line. So probably just cut that one, that big one, and all those big ones. And then I'll be done. Yay. I'm gonna take a break now though because that one was really heavy and hard to like hold and saw and pull down so it didn't get tangled up in the line. My hand's shaking a little bit. Alright, I'll check back in with you guys in a little bit. Okay friends, this is a different day. I was just too sick and worn out to finish last time. So I just got the one that was really up in the line down and a couple other ones. And now I am back out here ready to finish this up. So as you can see, there's still quite a bit to do. So let's go ahead and get started. We're just gonna make our way back in here through this little like jungle area and get the ladder set up so that we can get started cutting this down. I'm probably gonna leave some of these branches in here for now. I don't know if I'll trim all of these, but mainly I just want to get the ones that are up there in the power line area. Okay, so I got the ladder out and I'm up here and I think I'm gonna get this thick one right here cut down first, and then we will go from there. And as you can see, all I have is this tiny little like saw knife to use, so that's probably part of why it's a little bit hard. We got that one off. Trim off this dead ones, and then I'll probably cut those two off because they're getting pretty close to the utility line as well. Alright, so I guess that dead one was like not even attached. I must have cut it before. So I'm gonna cut this one. And then this one. I think that should be good for this guy for now. Leave a little bit of it just for the birds and stuff. over on the side of the fence though. So we'll see if I can get that. Alright guys, get those ones down. So nice clear to the power. That little guy looks like he might be trouble in the future, so I'm just gonna go ahead and chop him now, and then the rest should hopefully be fine. To give a little spot for birds and stuff, a little shade. So I'm gonna just clip that one if I can reach it from here. And then, yeah, let's see. Yeah, I should be able to reach that guy. Alright. Let's see. I don't have anywhere to set the phone, so I have to just chop it off camera. Alright, I think that is much better. Quite a bit of branches, you can see. Lots of branches. Okay, you guys can see quite a difference, right? All the top off of there, so there's plenty of room now to the utility lines. Now I just need to do this one. It is getting too close as well, and see how windy. Could totally whack into it. Look at all of the branches we took down. There are so many. Isn't that crazy, you guys? So here's how it looks now. Quite a bit better, I think. Pretty much all the ones I think that need to be taken down right now are taken down, and I think this is where I'm gonna leave it for now. I might end up taking a few more off, but we'll see. Thanks for watching.